This is how to send USDC to Avalanche from MetaMask from crypto.com. Open up crypto.com. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Learn passive income concepts. Click the link down below. Locate where it says USDC. As you can see, we're on the home tab. Bottom left, click on all coins. And now you want to scroll down until you see this option right here. In this case, it's the USDC coin. And now once you see this here on crypto.com, you want to click on it. And then simply put, as you can see, you can locate the option as it's above Solana and below XRP. And now once it's been opened up and loaded, as you can currently see here on crypto.com, click on balance next to analysis. You can deposit or withdraw right here. And now if you do want to send this over, let's just say to MetaMask, or convert it to Avalanche, there's a couple different things you can do. Open up the MetaMask wallet of your choice. As you can see, click on receive right here next to send in the middle hand screen. Click on copy. Go back to crypto.com. As you can see here, we're going to send over the USDC. And now once MetaMask has been opened up and loaded again, as you can see, you want to locate where it says Avalanche. Or because now we're going to successfully send over the USDC, this free option you can now successfully see here underneath the swap tab. Let's say 1 USDT. In this case, we're going to type in Avalanche on the free MetaMask wallet, cryptocurrency of your choice. And now simply put, click here in the middle hand screen so that the Ethereum or ETH network is now successfully changed to Avalanche completely for free in the MetaMask wallet from crypto.com.